Hello everyone, good morning. This is Miss Sumati Sahu in front of you with my new video. And today I am going to share with you my spoken English journey. But before that I am telling you, my spoken English journey started from class 2 to my graduation. So it is a long time. So in a small video, how can I explain everything? So part by part I will explain in different videos. So you will laugh when you will know about my spoken English journey. Later it became spoken English journey, but earlier it was English learning journey, and it was really very sadful because I was even not able to read English. I was fearing English and I was crying because English was an unknown language for me. But now I am speaking English. So if you people are trying to speak English, learning spoken English, then watch my face how I am speaking English today. So I am telling you how I have started my English learning journey. I am not telling it is spoken English journey. Earlier from class 2 I have started learning English. I am from Odisha and I have started my study in a Odia medium school, government school. So you can understand how was my knowledge level. It was good. I was good in every subject, but I was not good in English. I have learned A to Z with happily. I have learned 1 to 100 happily, but I felt difficult when I started learning words. It was a difficult journey for me. See, when you will start learning English, first what will you learn? Apple, ball, like this you were starting. When I was studying, I have not studied like this. Now you people are studying A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. No, only English medium students are studying like this. But I have started learning in different way. Okay, there were some pictures. A-P-P-L-E apple, A-X-E-X, A-S-S-S. Like this I have studied. Now I am speaking, I am reading very well. But that time I was feeling very difficulty. See, my language is Sambalpuri because I born in Western Odisha and our state language is Odia. So because I have born in a village, it was very difficult for me to understand Odia. Odia is different from Sambalpuri. So I was reading, writing and understanding Odia language. And when I started learning English, I felt that this is a nightmare. I was crying and my father taught me A to Z and 1 to 100. Without watching, I was able to tell 1 to 100. Then I have started learning ONE1, TWO2. This journey was also very sadful. It was very difficult for me to learn and remember ONE1 to 100. Isn't it? See, who study in English medium school, it is very easy for those. But who study in a Odia medium school, it is very difficult. I don't know how people are feeling, but for me it was a sadful journey. So when I have started learning words, A-N-N, so we were learning how A mane gotiye. I am making English video nowadays and I am using the Hindi, but when I have started learning, I was speaking Odia. Suppose if you want to learn a spelling word and you have to remember its meaning also. A-P-P-L-E, apple. You have to remember A-P-P-L-E, apple. Then you have to remember the meaning. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Mane ato. Ato. We have learned apple like ato. Okay. Then small words are very easy for us to remember, but long words were very difficult to remember. But what to do? But I had a lot of interest. Then also, because English was a new language, so I was feeling a lot of difficulties. That like in this way, I have learned and my journey started from there. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Then sentences came. At that time also, I was very weak in English. Can you believe in my class 10th how much marks I secured in English? Only 32 marks. By God's grace, I got this much marks only. But in my plus 2, I have given all my examination in English. Can you believe this? And I got good marks also. After that, I started believing that English is very easy and I can speak easily this language. After that, my feather grew and I started flying in English. I am just joking. Exactly, it not happened. After that also I have done a lot of struggles. Later I will tell you, because it will be so boring in one video if I'll tell you, isn't it? So have a nice day.